Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, tap on your videos. Click on Shorts. Okay, scroll down. Choose on any videos, tap on three dot option and click on edit, tap on pen option. Okay, and to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts, okay, this thumbnail, okay, then change your thumbnail and done. Then save. That's all to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.